let's get started. First off, you'll immediately notice the new, more modern and streamlined UI. It really helps make everything look clean and easy to navigate. Along with the updated menus, the fonts and icons have also been refreshed, making everything much easier on the eyes. Now, for something users have been asking for, dark mode. It was finally introduced in the 2024 version, and you'll continue to get both light and dark mode options in the 2025 version as well. In Photoshop Elements 2024, you had to switch modes by clicking on this icon and then updating your preferences. But in the Photoshop Elements 2025 version, you can change the mode directly from the Preferences menu. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on Photoshop Elements. If there's a specific feature you'd like to see covered, let us know in the comments.